Welcome to today's review on the PUNEHOD R1390 DTF Printer with Oven. This printer is truly a game changer for small businesses and hobbyists alike, offering a combination of high-quality printing, convenience, and reliability that's hard to beat. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this printer at the best price in the market. Right from the start, the standout feature of this machine is its white ink circulation system, which prevents clogging and ensures smooth, uninterrupted printing even when using white ink, thanks to its stirring and automatic cleaning functions. Another impressive aspect is its detachable reel design that allows PET film up to 100 meters in length, paired with a precise cutting device that makes your workflow faster and more efficient, perfect for producing custom t-shirts, hats, jeans, handbags, and even shoes. The R1390 also supports multiple fabrics, giving you limitless creative options for personalized designs. For someone just starting, the included full kit is a huge advantage. It comes with the A3 oven, 100 meters of PET paper, 6 250 milliliters bottles of DTF ink, 500 grams of transfer powder, and RIP software, plus helpful tutorial videos that make setup straightforward. The printing speed is decent at 20 pages per minute, ensuring that even larger orders can be completed quickly, though heavy workloads might require some attention to maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. On the design side, the printer is robust and built to last, weighing around 90 pounds and featuring a modern blue finish that looks professional in any workspace. One of the most reassuring things about this printer is the support from the PUNEHOD team, with multiple engineers ready to assist online. So even if you're new to DTF printing, you'll have guidance available for installation, debugging, or troubleshooting any issues. While there's no included USB due to prior security concerns, all required software and drivers are readily accessible online, so this is only a minor inconvenience. Users who've tested this printer praise its reliability, smooth transfer quality, and the professional results it produces on a wide variety of fabrics, making it an ideal choice for small businesses, custom orders, or personalized gifts. That said, there's a learning curve for newcomers to DTF printing, and the printer is quite large, so you'll need sufficient space to operate it comfortably. Still, the benefits far outweigh these small considerations. In terms of versatility, the R1390 excels. It's capable of printing highly detailed, vibrant designs, and the white ink circulation ensures consistent results, preventing downtime from clogged print heads. Coupled with the A3 oven, which cures prints effectively and quickly, you can achieve professional-grade results in your home studio or shop. The packaging is thoughtfully designed to include everything you need right out of the box, which saves you extra purchases or setup complications, and the included tutorials make it easier to start producing immediately. For anyone looking to step into the world of custom apparel printing, this printer combines quality, speed, and support in one reliable package, allowing you to focus on creativity and production rather than technical difficulties. If you're serious about starting or expanding a printing business, or even just want to create high-quality custom designs for personal use, the PUNEHOD R1390 DTF Printer with Oven is an excellent investment that can deliver professional results from day one. With its strong after-sales support, full accessory kit, easy-to-use features, and wide compatibility with fabrics, it's designed to keep your workflow smooth and efficient while giving you complete control over your printing projects. Don't miss the chance to elevate your custom printing capabilities with this versatile machine and enjoy hassle-free printing with consistent high-quality output. Remember to check the link in description below to secure your PUNEHOD R1390 DTF printer today at the best price and start producing your personalized creations immediately.